Today we are going to unbox this Dahua Wi-Fi camera. So it's a network camera. F2cPV 2mp 2.8mm lens, and serial number etc. is written here. Open it up. There are a few things. This one is purchased separately, like it's a memory card, about 64 gigabyte high-speed memory card from Dahua same technology C100. And this one is included in the box, and it's a waterproof housing for the wire, and drilling patterns, also some information about the product, maybe QR code for manual downloads and manuals, etc. This is the installation guide actually. Installation guide about how to install the card, where to open, what is the process, complete procedure, and this is the cabling way, how to install and further cable connectors install. The charger, or you can say the power plug for this device, for this camera. It's 12 volt and 1 ampere charger. Any adapter like this can be used, but it's not being used for PoE since it's a Wi-Fi camera, so this is mandatory to install. It's a bracket to drill on the wall, and camera will be fixed on that. Screws are also given. This is the main device. Let's unplug it out. Okay, there you go. That's the main device. This is the network point, this is the DC pin point, and there are two antennas for Wi-Fi caching, and reset button and memory card insertion is here. This is a speaker for two-way talk, and it's a lens. Further, it's an LED, dual LED, and color night vision. This is actually installed like this, and the bracket that was given, bracket will be like here. So it will click like this, tick. Okay, this is the main device. I will update another one for installation, etc. Right? This voltage is pretty strong.